Hey everybody, this is Kip Johnson with Jones Group Realtors. This week's video is 3 things not to do when selling a home in a seller's market. Selling a home in a hot seller's market is a lot different than selling a home in any other type of market. And the likelihood of you selling for top dollar very quickly is very good. But there still are a few things that you can do to completely screw this up. And this video is going to explain those. This is 3 things not to do when selling a home in a hot seller's market. Number 1, do not set a time for offers to be presented to the sellers. I see this all the time on the MLS, listing agents setting times before anybody's even seen the house for their offers to be presented to the seller. If you let buyers know that you're going to be reviewing offers at a certain time in the future, I guarantee that you will lose some buyers. Buyers aren't wanting to wait around to see if their offer's accepted for days. There's also a lot of buyers out there that aren't going to want to get into a multiple offer situation, and setting an offer presentation time, that's what you're portraying, is that you are expecting to get into a multiple offer situation. The biggest problem with having a set presentation time is what happens when you don't get any offers. Any buyer that was looking at your house but then saw that offer presentation time and got turned away, and now they see it a few days or weeks down the road and wonder, didn't this person have an offer presentation time? Weren't they expecting multiple offers and now it hasn't sold? Why hasn't it sold? They're going to automatically think that something is wrong with your house. Number 2 things to not do in a hot seller's market. Do not overprice your home. The worst thing you can do when selling a home in any market is overprice it. But this is especially true in a hot seller's market. Buyers today are very educated, and when they're partnered up with a great agent, an overpriced home is going to stand out like a hooker surrounded by a bunch of nuns. When you overprice a home, it's going to cause it to sit on the market and lose interest. Then, most likely to regain that interest, you will have to start to drop the price. When doing this, most likely you're going to have to drop the price further than what you originally would have sold it at if it has sat on the market for a long time, to be able to recreate that interest. If you don't believe me, go look up homes that have sold in the last 9 months or so and that took over 60 days to sell. What you'll see is a lot of them have big price drops and multiple price drops before they actually sell. This is just showing that the price was too high originally. In the end, when something doesn't sell, it's always because the price was wrong. The number 3 thing to not do when selling in a seller's market, do not think you underpriced your home. If you have done everything correctly when selling your home, you are going to sell it quickly and for probably more than you originally asked. Now, don't second guess yourself that you sold it for too little because it sold so quickly. This is what was supposed to happen when you partnered up with a good sales agent and sell in a hot seller's market. You did everything correctly, now go celebrate. Hey, thanks again for watching this video. Again, this is Kip Johnson with Jones Group Realtors. If you have any questions about real estate, please feel free to reach out to me, 971-645-2019, or shoot me an email. Also, if you have questions or are thinking about selling your home in the near future, don't forget to click the link below and you can go get a free copy of my book. I'll send it to you for free. And this book will help you get through the selling process and sell at top dollar. Have a great day.